Hello students, I am K. Ghosh. Welcome you all in the YouTube channel of Brilliant Public School. Today we are going to learn chapter 6, that is the lines and angles for class 9th. Linear pair. If a ray stands on a line, then sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree and vice versa to this one. This property is called as the linear pair of axiom. Let us understand this with a figure. AB is the straight line on which ray OC is there. So two adjacent angles are forming. So suppose this is the angle. Let me draw it. So this is the angle 1 and this is the angle 2. Then angle 1 plus angle 2 will be 180 degree. So this rule says that L1 plus L1 plus L2 will be 180 degree. Next is the vertically opposite angle. If two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. In the figure, AB is the line and CD is also another line which are intersecting at point O. So vertically opposite angles are forming here. So suppose this is the angle 1 and this is the angle 2. So these two angles are equal. Also this is the angle 3 which will be equal to angle 4 as per this theorem. Next we will see that if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. Each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. Each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. So let us see what are the corresponding angles which are equal. So for that we see here in the figure M and N, two parallel lines which are being intersected by transversal L. So corresponding angle 1 will be equal to 5. Corresponding angle 2 will be equal to 6. Similarly, corresponding angle 4 will be equal to angle 8. Also, corresponding angle 3 will be equal to angle 7. Alternate interior angles are 3 and 5, which are also equal. Similarly, 4 and 6 are also equal. Next is the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So 3 and 6 are the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So here angle 3 plus angle 6 will be equal to 180 degree. Similarly, 4 and 5 are also interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So these will be also making 180 degree if these are added. Our next is the if a transversal intersect two lines such that either any pair of corresponding angle is equal or any pair of alternate interior angle is equal or any pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary means 180 degree, then lines are parallel. So here transversal L is there, and if corresponding angle 2 plus 2 is equal to 6, then lines are parallel. 1 is equal to 5, then also lines are parallel. Lines M and L parallel. Similarly, if angle 3 is equal to angle 5, lines are parallel. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6, then also line is parallel. And one pair of interior angles on the same side means angle 3 and angle 6, they are if supplementary to each other and making 180 degree angle, then also lines are parallel. Our next is the lines which are parallel to a given line are parallel to each other. Means if line M parallel to L and line N parallel to L, then M will be parallel to N. Our next is the angle sum property of a triangle. The angle sum property of the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. It means in any triangle, sum of the three angles will be 180 degree. Here in this case, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be equal to 180 degree. Exterior angle. If side of a triangle is produced, then exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. The side QR is extended to S. So angle 4 is being formed here, which is the exterior angle. This exterior angle will be equal to, so angle 4 will be equal to sum of angle 1 and 2, angle 2. So angle 4 will be equal to sum of angle 1 and angle 2. Thank you, students.